In this video, I'm showing you how to graph f of x is equal to -2 cosecant x using sin of x as a guide. Let's graph sin of x first in order to create the cosecant of x function, which is the reciprocal of sin of x. This is the graph of sin of x. Now, the cosecant of x function looks like an upward curve touching the peak of the waves in the positive y-axis and a downward curve in the negative y-axis. So the graph of cosecant x looks like this. Now we have transformations of vertical stretch by a factor of 2 and a negative reflection across the x-axis. Let's see the graph of 2 cosecant x first before applying the reflection across the x-axis. You can see that the 2 cosecant x function doesn't touch the tip of the original sin x function. Then let's see the final transform graph of -2 cosecant x, and it will be the black curve. The period or the length of the curve to do one full cycle is 2 pi. We can find this by taking the period of the original cosecant function, which is 2 pi, and divide it with the absolute value of b, which in this case is 1. So 2 pi over the absolute value of 1 is just 2 pi. To find the asymptotes, we need to do the formula of pi over 2 times the absolute value of b plus pi over the absolute value of b. We got pi over 2 because the asymptotes of both the original cosecant and transform function happen at pi over 2 and its multiples with a period of pi. Our asymptotes, since b is equal to 1, the asymptotes for the transform function will be pi over 2 plus pi n, where n is an integer. Okay, we have graphed -2 cosecant x using sin x as a guide and identified its period and asymptotes.